Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you can get rid of this indicator over here. The flat tire indicator of a Mercedes GLA 2019. We just had a flat tire, I've just repaired it, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first step is to have the ignition pressed or turned to the second position, like this. Then we're gonna go through the menu by using these buttons over here. Press to the right to find the surface area over here. Surface, you see that, this one, surface. Then you'll see you can go down to tire pressure, press OK, press the down button again, confirm with OK, and the indicator, the flat tire indicator, is now reset. Do the check by starting the car and you'll see that the flat tire indicator won't show up anymore over here. Now you'll have to drive about 10 minutes to show the different indicators on each wheel. About 10 minutes will it take. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you next time in our videos. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.